Before you start these exercises, make sure your workspace is clear, and please read the disclaimer on the Actif North Wales website. These are intermediate desk-based exercises. We're going to do 12 exercises that you can do at your desk, which will relieve tension and improve your posture. I am on a sturdy chair. You may be on an office space chair, which has wheels just like this. If you are, make sure your brakes are on and your feet are firmly on the floor. We've got 12 exercises. Are you ready? The first one is hip walk forwards. So we're just going to check your toes are facing forward and your feet are about hip distance apart. We're going to sit up nice and tall and push out your chest. The first thing we're going to do is run our fingers through our hair. Okay, both hands together. Open up the elbows and then shoulders back and down. So same again. Nice and steady. Really emphasize that shoulder roll because we spend a lot of time with our shoulders forwards, looking down at our desk. Good. We're going to zip up our coat for this one. So nice high elbows, sitting up nice and tall, normal breathing throughout. Good. Again, we're just lifting the rib cage up, moving that body in different ways as it should. Good. Should do one more. Zipping up your coat. Nice deep breaths. Good. And then relax your hands down. We're going to reach down as if there's something on the floor we're going to pick up. We're not going to pick it up, but just go as far as you feel comfortable. Again, just to stretch this side of the body as you reach down. Good. Slow you back up. And again, nice deep breaths throughout. If you can smile, that's good. Shows you're not holding your breath. Do one more. Good. And back up to the centre. You need to hold your tray, maybe of food, something that smells nice. Turn your upper body to the left, nice and slowly, take your head with you. Again, you may not be able to go as far as I can, but just go as far as you're able. That's really important. We're all different in how we move. Same again. We'll do one more to the right. Nice and steady. And then relax your hand down, a bit of a shake. Good. So hands on knees. You're going to take your left ear to your left shoulder. So tilt the head to the side. Keep the nose facing forwards. Take your left hand up and over. And then just gently apply some pressure, just to feel an extra stretch down the neck. Release the hand. Change over. So right ear, right shoulder. Nose facing forwards. Right hand up and over, and just apply some gentle pressure. And again, we should feel it on these big muscles just here. Good. Release your hand. Okay, if you want to relax, you can sit back at this point if you want to, but we're just going to stretch out the back of the legs. So again, I'm going to come to the front third of my chair. I'm going to slide the heel forward. Just make sure your chair is stable, it's not going to move. I'm going to sit up nice and tall, then lean forwards towards your toe, and you should feel a really good stretch on the back of the leg. So it shouldn't be painful, but it may be a bit uncomfortable. Good. Slide it back. Change legs as straight as you can. Sit up nice and tall, lean forward from your hips. And again, you should feel a nice pull on the back of the leg. It's nice to stretch them out when you've been sat down for a while. Good. Slide it back. Okay, we're going to do toes again, but slide back when you're ready. So we're going to point the toes and then bring them back towards you. Again, we rely on our ankles so much, but they're quite still under our desk, so it's really important to get them moving. So slow circles, as big as you can. Really feel the back of the leg stretching, go the other direction. Same for the front of the leg, trying to feel that stretch. Swap over. So point and flex the toes. Again, really good for getting those calves moving and legs moving under the desk. And then some rolls. As big as you can. Maybe a few cricks and cracks, but that's normal as long as it's not painful. Well done, and relax. The more you can do these during the day, the more you'll feel their benefit.